Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 300 SE. This is the special edition lime green paint scheme, twin cylinder, fuel injected, beautiful lightweight sport bike, only 898 miles. Just acquired from its original owner. This bike is in fantastic condition, ready to make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time you have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.